10th recipe for Christmas. 10. Cranberry sauce. Introduction: a tart and sweet relish with a vibrant red color, providing a necessary contrast to the richness of roasted meats. Ingredients preparation: fresh cranberries, 300 grams, fresh orange juice, 150 milliliters, sugar, 150 grams, adjust to taste. Orange zest finely grated, 1 teaspoon. Seasoning, none needed, step-by-step instructions. Combine cranberries, sugar, orange juice, and orange zest in a small saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer. While simmering, the cranberries will burst and release pectin, which helps thicken the mixture. Continue simmering for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce reaches the desired consistency. Remove from heat and let the sauce cool completely. The sauce will thicken further as it cools. Presentation and serving: place the sauce in a small serving bowl, garnished with a few slices of fresh orange or a sprig of rosemary. Serve chilled, accompanying the turkey or ham. Notes: do not overcook, as they will become too firm. Use fresh orange juice for the best flavor. 10 dishes for Christmas are complete. Quite tiring, but very fun. Let's enjoy them. Let's eat!